Hey guys, William over here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to what could be one of the last videos, if not the last video, from the Historics auction here at Mercedes-Benz World. So I'd like you to close your eyes and imagine the roar of engines surrounding you. The vibration felt through the chassis. Headlights cutting through the darkness, lap after lap after lap through the night at the famous Le Mans circuit. And then imagine yourself massively exposed in a two-seater open-top car like the one behind me. So some cars have race history and there's others that have just earned it, and this is definitely the latter. This is PKV 375, the X-Works 1955 Triumph TR2, one of only 3 factory cars built by Standard Triumph to take the ultimate test in motorsport, the Le Mans 24 Hours. Finished in the classic British racing green, wearing the number 29, PKV 375 was driven by Ken Richardson and Bert Hadley through the brutal day and night endurance run at the Circuit de la Sarthe, bringing the car home in a remarkable 15th overall. This is no ordinary TR2. These works cars were effectively prototypes fitted with experimental Girling disc brakes, long-range fuel tanks and high-port cylinder heads, engineering upgrades and later shaped Triumph production models. After its heroic Le Mans outing, PKV 375 passed quietly into private hands, only for a true identity to be rediscovered decades later. A meticulous, full documented restoration followed, culminating in FIA historic technical papers valid until 2028. Today, this car is a passport to the world of prestigious, historic motorsport events. The Le Mans Classic, Goodwood Revival,
the Mini Miglia and countless others. Displayed at Brooklands, still retaining its original works registration, PKV 375 represents one of the most important surviving Triumph competition cars in existence. A genuine Le Mans works entry, a factory prototype, and an extraordinary opportunity for the next keeper to return this iconic British racer to the circuits it was built for. Whilst this particular vehicle is shadowed by that famous 1955 Le Mans race due to the biggest disaster in Le Mans history, you can't take away the credit that is earned and deserved to this vehicle. It's a stunning testament to Triumph. It's an amazing vehicle and it has such pedigree that it's incredible to me to share that video with you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, if you have, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Hit the thumbs up button and comment your thoughts down below. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you again. Take it easy.